Welcome to the future. We live in an era where technology is evolving at lightning speed, creating gadgets that feel like they've leaped straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Today, we're unveiling 10 futuristic gadgets you'll soon be able to own, each a testament to human innovation and engineering brilliance. From mind-controlled devices to revolutionary personal flying drones, these gadgets are set to reshape how we experience and interact with the world around us. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an early adopter, or just curious about what the future holds, sit back and get ready to be blown away by what's right around the corner. Imagine cruising on water, not in a boat, but on a bike. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler XE1 is the world's first hydrofoil electric bike designed specifically for water. Unlike any traditional watercraft, this electric bike has been engineered to give you the sensation of riding through air as you glide across the surface. The bike's hydrofoil wings and an electric motor-powered pedal assist lift you above the water with each pedal, creating a thrilling yet serene ride. The frame itself is made from lightweight, corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring durability in saltwater or freshwater alike. The Hydrofoiler XE1 also boasts multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize the ride based on your preference and experience level. Even beginners can find their balance quickly thanks to its intuitive controls and inbuilt stability features. For outdoor adventurers, it opens up an entirely new way to explore coastlines, lagoons, and even secluded lakes. Imagine riding this on a calm lake during sunrise or using it to navigate beautiful coastal cliffs. It's not just a sport, it's a pioneering approach to eco-friendly water transportation, combining sustainability with excitement. What if controlling technology could be as simple as thinking? That's precisely the realm that the Emotive Insight brainware brings us closer to. This advanced EEG headset reads brainwaves and translates them into commands that can control various digital devices. Equipped with high-precision sensors, it can detect electrical signals produced by your brain, making it possible to interact with devices like smartphones, computers, and even certain smart home devices, purely with thought. Imagine sitting back and changing the music, adjusting the lighting, or even sending a text just by focusing your mind. But beyond just mind-controlled commands, the Emotive Insight has significant applications in health and wellness. It can help manage stress by monitoring changes in brainwave activity, letting you track your levels of focus, relaxation, and mental fatigue. Gamers can even use it to push their performance, fine-tuning focus for better reaction times. For students and professionals, it can track cognitive load and concentration, helping users know when they're most productive or when it's time to take a break. The Emotive Insight is more than a gadget, it's a glimpse into the future of wearable neurotechnology. Imagine capturing every moment from above with zero effort. The AirSelfie Drone is a palm-sized, ultra-lightweight drone that takes selfies and videos to an entirely new level. Unlike bulky drones, the AirSelfie is designed for convenience and portability. It's compact enough to fit into your pocket or bag, making it the perfect travel companion. With an impressive high-resolution camera, the drone captures high-quality photos and videos from any angle you choose. Its intuitive launch and landing system lets it take off at the push of a button, while built-in stabilization technology ensures you get clear cinematic shots every time. Perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots during a hike, at a concert, or while hanging out with friends, the AirSelfie gives you the power to photograph and film moments that would otherwise be impossible. It's also equipped with gesture control, allowing you to adjust angles and positions simply by waving your hand. Say goodbye to selfie sticks. The AirSelfie Drone redefines how we capture memories, giving you a new perspective with every photo. For new parents, the Snoo Sleeper bassinet might just be a dream come true. Created by pediatric and sleep experts, the Snoo goes beyond a traditional crib by adapting to a baby's needs in real time. Imagine this, your baby stirs or cries, and without you needing to get up, the Snoo gently rocks them back to sleep, with soothing white noise that calms them instantly. The bassinet's smart sensors detect movement and sound, triggering gentle responses that mimic the rhythms babies are used to from the womb. More than just a responsive crib, the Snoo learns and adapts to your baby's sleep patterns, encouraging healthy sleep habits from day one. It's equipped with a secure swaddle that keeps the baby safe and snug, reducing the risk of rolling while promoting a deep, restful sleep. The Snoo can even be controlled and monitored through an app on your phone, letting you check sleep data, control motion, and track their sleep cycles. For new parents seeking peace of mind and a few more hours of sleep, the Snoo is a game-changing addition to their lives. Flexible screen technology is no longer a distant dream, and the Royal FlexPai 2 is a prime example of where it's headed. As the world's first fully foldable smartphone, the FlexPai 2 combines the best features of a smartphone and a tablet. The flexible AMOLED screen is highly responsive, ultra-thin, and entirely crease-free. Fold it up for a compact smartphone experience, or unfold it to enjoy a larger, immersive screen perfect for watching videos, reading, and even multitasking with ease. The FlexPai 2 also packs impressive hardware under its flexible display, with a top-tier processor, multiple cameras, and a battery designed to support intense multitasking. The possibilities are endless. Imagine editing photos on a large screen, watching movies on a mini tablet, and then folding it back to fit in your pocket. This is not just a smartphone, it's an innovative blend of utility and versatility that pushes the boundaries of mobile design and enhances how we interact with our devices. Imagine having a TV that's there when you need it and out of sight when you don't. The LG Rollable OLED TV is revolutionizing home entertainment by offering a sleek, minimalistic design that retracts into a compact base when not in use. With just the touch of a button, the TV screen rolls up to deliver a stunning 65-inch display. The OLED screen itself is ultra-thin, offering vivid colors, incredible contrast, and impressive depth that truly brings your favorite shows and movies to life. This isn't just a TV, it's a work of art that enhances your living space. For people who love minimalism and high functionality, the LG Rollable OLED TV is a perfect blend of style and substance. It allows you to reclaim space, turning your living room into a multifunctional area where technology and decor coexist seamlessly. Personal flight is a dream that's inching closer to reality with the HEXA Drone. This human-piloted, all-electric drone offers the thrill of flight without needing a pilot's license. With 6 powerful rotors and a lightweight frame, the HEXA Drone is both agile and stable, designed to be accessible even for beginners. Imagine soaring above landscapes, exploring new areas, or simply experiencing the world from a breathtaking perspective. The HEXA Drone is also incredibly easy to control, equipped with an intuitive interface that lets users hover, navigate, and even land with minimal experience. While it's mainly recreational at this stage, it gives us a glimpse into a future where personal drones could become a mainstream form of transport. It's not just a gadget, it's a bold step towards redefining the concept of personal mobility. Networking events, meetings, and social gatherings are about to get a lot easier with OrCam Mimi. This innovative wearable device uses facial recognition to identify people, helping you remember names, occupations, and details about individuals you meet. Imagine attending a conference and having OrCam discreetly notify you with someone's name or any previous notes you have about them. It's like having an instant memory boost at your fingertips. Mimi sends notifications straight to your phone, so you'll never have to worry about forgetting important details. It's especially useful for professionals, helping them build stronger connections by making every interaction smoother and more personal. This gadget takes networking and socializing to the next level, giving users an edge in making lasting impressions. The PrintBrush XDR is a portable printer that's changing the way we think about personalization and creativity on the go. This device prints on almost any surface, whether it's paper, fabric, wood, or metal. With just a swipe, you can print high-quality designs, logos, and text directly from your smartphone. Imagine creating custom t-shirts, personalizing notebooks, or even branding merchandise on the spot. Compact and wireless, the PrintBrush XDR is easy to carry around, making it a favorite for artists, entrepreneurs, or anyone with a creative streak. It's a gadget that makes the physical world as customizable as the digital one, giving you the freedom to express yourself and your brand wherever you are. Imagine coming home to an environment that knows exactly how to make you feel at ease. The Aromeo Sense is a smart diffuser that combines aromatherapy, color-changing lights, and soothing soundscapes to create a fully immersive relaxation experience. By syncing scents, lights, and sounds, it creates tailored ambiances, whether you want to wind down after a long day, boost focus, or drift off to sleep. The Aromeo Sense is more than just a diffuser. It's a comprehensive wellness device that transforms any room into a sanctuary. Through its app, you can select different modes and personalize your preferences, making it ideal for mental relaxation, meditation, or even just setting the mood for a cozy evening. In a world that's always on the go, the Aromeo Sense gives you a personal oasis right in your own home. And that's a wrap. These 10 futuristic gadgets you'll soon be able to own are just the beginning of an exciting journey into a more innovative, personalized world. From flying drones to mind-controlled devices, each gadget pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Which one of these gadgets excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved exploring the future with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on the tech shaping tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.